It's a video chart presentation of Magic Software Enterprises. Magic is a NASDAQ global market stock trading under ticker MGIC. Nice support level right here around $4, making a pretty strong move over the last 4 or 5 days. Now, of course, the Dow's closed up 3 straight days, could be helping support this a little bit. But overall, the chart has a very nice look to it. Challenging some resistance right now. I'll take a look at the indicators real quick. See overall a nice positive divergence. Upward channel being established with the MACD as the price per share is trending down. Good sign that it could be trying to find a bottom. Coming off kind of a PPO ADX pinch way back here in March. PPO like the MACD trending upward. But what I noticed through here is this downward trend of the ADX looks like it's losing some strength. I'm going to keep an eye on that for a reversal. Once the ADX start trending up, start making some higher highs. Only have the positive DI coming along with it. That'll support the idea of that finding a true bottom. Money flow index, all 3 components trying to push their way through 50. You see that that's been a bit of a battle for it. All I'll be looking for in the accumulation distribution is to hold this base level, not plunge back down, start making lower lows. I want to see it just round itself out, start trending upward. Nice recovery going on with shaking money flow. Move back into the green, buying pressure's taking control. CCI was making a nice upward move. Followers of the CCI will use that break point right there of 100 as the buy point. And leading into this, full still was making some higher lows, and now push back through 50, showing some momentum coming into play. Going along with everything else, Tricks making some higher lows and higher highs. So this chart's definitely giving some signs. It's trying to find a bottom. RSIs also making a nice upward trend, now pushing their way through 50. Some good momentum's coming into this play. Now this does get a bottom support at 391. You can see $4 is held as a very strong support level. Dipped below it a couple different times and pulled promptly back up before the close. If any sort of retrace happens, maybe it bounces off this 50-day, comes back down, I'd most definitely want to see $4 hold as the bottom again. Or I'd be more concerned that this sort of downward channel will continue. Right now, it's making a nice move upward. It picks up another support level right there around the area of 425. Pushing through the 50-day can a lot of times be difficult for a stock. It wants to retrace immediately. Holding 425 would be a strong thing to see. See it make some higher lows. Might do something along these lines right here, and then try and push again. There's certainly some resistance right there around 450. You can see that spot's been an area of resistance here in the last couple months. Dipped just below it, but it was a support level back here in June. And again, the 50-day moving average is right there. So I think going into the opening bell today, it's going to be interesting to see if this is going to try and push north of that or not to start the day out. Still has a little bit of a gap left unfilled right through here. And if it can fill that gap, it's going to run into more resistance right there around $5. It's not a bad upside of over 10%. And more importantly, it could be identifying this chart as making a true bottom. And what I'd be looking for there is just an upward trend to happen. And I'd be looking for that trend line in the future to be broken for MGIC to show an overall reversal in course. You see volume 159,000 shares. That's a little bit low right now, but selling pressure could be drying up. You can see this can trade with a lot more volume. So perhaps there's some indecision going on. I'd look for the volume bars to pick up, start steadily increasing to show some stronger buying pressure coming into this play. But not a bad chart at this point at all. And then keep it on the watch list and see how it performs in the future. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the Magic Software Enterprises chart. Thank you for watching and trade smart.